Use Topdon Rlink with Mitsubishi MUT3 like a pro. Full setup and diagnostics guide. Welcome to Baabji Motors, your trusted destination for everything automotive diagnostics, repairs, and real-world programming magic. Today's video isn't just another tool tutorial. It's something you've probably been waiting for if you work on Mitsubishis or plan to. What if I told you that your humble Topdon Rlink J2534 device could turn into a full-fledged OEM-level tool for Mitsubishi vehicles? Yes, the kind used by dealerships. Would you believe it? Well, stick around because I'm going to show you exactly how to connect and use the Topdon Rlink J2534 interface with a Mitsubishi MUT3 software. From driver installation to diagnostics, everything is covered. If you're a technician, a workshop owner, or a passionate DIYer, this guide could open the door to powerful OEM capabilities using a simple aftermarket interface. But first, here's a quick challenge for you. Can you tell me what must be done if the Mitsubishi driver doesn't appear under driver info in the Rlink platform? Think you know? Drop your answer in the comments right now. Let's see who's already got a good grip on J2534 protocol integration. And before we go deeper, here's the mandatory but important part. Disclaimer. This video is strictly for educational and informational purposes. All content, tools, and software mentioned here are used within the boundaries of fair use, for the sake of learning, training, and reviewing diagnostic procedures. We don't promote piracy, cracked software, or illegal use of proprietary systems. Every brand, logo, or product name you hear belongs to its respective owner. Always work safely and responsibly. Follow manufacturer guidelines and local laws. All right, now that we've got that cleared up, let's jump into the good stuff. To use the Topdon Rlink J2534 with Mitsubishi's MUT3 OEM software, you'll need a few essentials. Don't worry, we're breaking it all down into easy-to-follow steps, so even if you're doing this for the first time, you won't feel lost. First, here's what you'll need. Let's start with the tools required, and don't worry, I'll phrase it naturally so you won't miss a beat in a TDS readout. You'll need one of the Topdon Rlink variants. This could be the Topdon Rlink Lite, the Rlink X7, or the full Rlink J2534 unit. Next, you need to ensure you've got the Rlink Mitsubishi license activated. This is a must if you want full functionality with the MUT3 software. Of course, you'll also need the Mitsubishi MUT3 software itself, along with an active online subscription. Yes, Mitsubishi requires online login and verification for certain diagnostic actions. With your tools ready, let's talk installation and setup. Step-by-step instructions to set up Rlink with MUT3. Step 1. Head over to the official Topdon website and download the Rlink platform driver. It's available under the software section for your specific Rlink device. Make sure you choose the correct driver based on your OS and Rlink model. Step 2. Connect your Rlink device to both the laptop and the vehicle. Make sure the car's ignition is on, not necessarily engine start, just the ignition mode. Step 3. Launch the Rlink platform driver that you just installed. Step 4. If everything is connected correctly, the software will show a message confirming that both the vehicle and the device are successfully linked. This is an essential check before proceeding. Step 5. Now navigate to the driver management section inside the Rlink platform. Click on Driver Info. Here's something crucial. Check whether the Mitsubishi driver is already installed. If you don't see it listed, don't panic. Step 6. Simply find the Mitsubishi option in the list of supported drivers and click on it to download and install it. The software will handle the rest. Step 7. Once the driver has been successfully installed, make sure you select the Rlink mode that is compatible with MUT3. Step 8. Now, close the Rlink platform driver. Yes, you heard that right. Don't leave it running in the background. It needs to be closed to avoid conflicts with MUT3. Step 9. Locate the Mitsubishi MUT3 R2 software icon on your desktop or in your program folder and double-click to launch it. Step 10. You'll be prompted to log in with the credentials from your Mitsubishi official account, the same one used for your subscription. Enter your login and proceed. Step 11. Mitsubishi takes security seriously, So you'll need to enter the two-factor authentication code sent to your registered email or phone number. Step 12. Once logged in, click on SVT inside the MUT3 software. You'll then see a list of available devices. Select your Rlink device from a list. And that's it. You're now ready to run full diagnostics on Mitsubishi vehicles just like a dealership would. You can perform system scans, module programming, parameter resets, and more, all from your own laptop with your Topdon Rlink. Halfway through, here's a gentle nudge. If this video is helping you so far, hit that like button to help us reach 10,000 likes. And let's aim for 1,000 comments too. Your opinion matters. Share your favorite diagnostic tool in the comments, or tell us what vehicle you're working on today. And if you truly appreciate this kind of hands-on, real-world content, consider hitting the super thanks. It helps keep Baabji Motors alive and growing. Let's pause and reflect. Tools like the Topdon Rlink are game changers. You no longer need a stack of expensive OEM scanners. A single J2534 compatible tool and the right software open up dealer-level access. And it's all about knowledge, knowing how to set it up, how to interpret the data, and how to use that power responsibly. This is the kind of stuff we love sharing, and we know you love watching, learning, and engaging with it too. Now, back to that question we asked earlier. What should you do if the Mitsubishi driver doesn't show up under the Rlink driver info section? If you said, manually download and install the driver by clicking the corresponding option in the Rlink platform, you got it right. This isn't just a trick question. It's the kind of thing that can trip up even seasoned technicians, especially when working on a tight schedule. Always double-check your driver list before launching MUT3. My personal take? Topdon Rlink has seriously elevated itself in the market. Pairing it with OEM software like MUT3 shows how aftermarket tools have matured. It's no longer about hacking or shortcuts. It's about safe, legal, professional diagnostics without burning a hole in your wallet. If you run a garage or mobile service, this setup is 100% worth the investment. But hey, that's just my view. Now I want to hear from you. What's your experience with J2534 tools? Have you tried using MUT3 before? Drop your stories in the comments. I read every single one. Random fun fact before we wrap up. Did you know that the J2534 protocol was originally created by the EPA in the US to standardize ECU reprogramming for emission compliance? What started as a regulatory tool turned into a revolution in universal diagnostics. Thanks for sticking with me till the end. You're the reason Baabji Motors exists and thrives. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button, drop a comment, and smash that like button. Let's crush our goal of 10,000 likes and 1,000 comments within 24 hours. If this guide helped you, share it with a friend, colleague, or fellow technician. Help someone else level up. And don't forget, if you really love the content, tap that super thanks to support what we do. Until next time, happy diagnosing, stay sharp, and always keep learning.